Let us do few problems based on matrices. We will start with the exercise 9A. Starting with second question. Given matrix X, Y plus 2, 3, Z minus 1 equals to 3, 1, 3, 2. Find X, Y and Z. So looking at the question, we can understand this shows that these two matrices are equal. So from this we can find out these two matrices are equal, the corresponding elements will be equal. So X equals to, we get X equals to 3. Then second one, Y plus 2 equals to 1 implies Y equals to 1 minus 2, that is equal to minus 1. Then 3 and 3. Then next you have fourth term, Z minus 1 equals to 2. That shows Z is equal to 2 plus 1, that is 3. So you got the value of X is equal to 3, Y is equal to minus 1 and Z is equal to 3. Now we will do the third question. Solve for A, B and C. Okay, the first sub question is minus 4 A plus 5 3 2 equals to B plus 4 2 3 C minus 1. Again, this shows that this matrices are equal. So let us take the first one, that is minus 4 equals to B plus 4. That shows B equals to minus 4 minus 4, that is minus 4 minus 4 gives you minus 8. A plus 5 equals to 2. A is equal to 2 minus 5 equals to minus 3. Then C minus 1 is equal to 2. C is equal to 2 plus 1, that is 3. So we get A equals to minus 3, B is equal to minus 8 and C is equal to 3. We are doing the fourth question. A is equal to minus 8 minus 3 and B is equal to 4 minus 5. Find A plus B. That's our first sub question. So let us do that first. A plus B. 8. So you get 8 plus 4 minus 3 plus minus 5. That is equal to 12 minus 8. Next sub question. It's given us B minus A. B minus A. So what do you have? 4 minus 5 minus 8 minus 3. 4 minus 8 gives you minus 4. Minus 5 minus of minus 3, that is minus 5 plus 3 gives you minus 2. Let us do the next question, that is the fifth question. A equals to 2, 5. B equals to 1, 4. C equals to 6 minus 2. So let us do the sub questions one by one. The first question is B plus C, that is equal to 1, 4 plus 6 minus 2, that is equal to 1 plus 6 gives you 7. 4 minus 2 gives you 2. Second one, A minus C. A minus C, that is equal to 2, 5 minus 6 minus 2. 2 minus 6 equals to minus 4. 5 minus of minus 2, that is 5 plus 2 equals to 7. Let us do the third sub question. That is A plus B minus C. So let us do that. A plus B, that is 2 plus 1 minus C minus 6. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 minus 6 is minus 3. 5 plus 4, that is 9 minus of minus 2. 9 minus of minus 2 is 9 plus 2, that is equal to 11. So we get as minus 3, 11. The last question is A minus B plus C. So let us write that. 2, 5 minus 1, 4 plus 6 minus 2. So what do we get here? 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. 5 minus 4 is 1. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Now I will be doing the seventh question. Find x and y. Find x and y. Okay. So the question is, first question is 5, 2, minus 1, y minus 1, minus 1, x minus 1, 2, minus 3 equals to 4, 7, minus 3, 2. So from this question it is clear to us, subtracting these two matrices you will get this matrix. So we can find the unknown values using this equation. So let us do that. So what do you have here? The first term, you know it, 5 minus 1 is 4, that's right. So second term, 2 minus x minus 1 equals to, second term there is 7. So what do you get? 2 minus x minus into minus plus 1 equals to 7. 2 plus 1 is 3. So you get 3 minus 7 equals to x. So what do you get? X is equal to minus 4. Now, similar way, the next term, unknown term is y. So you have y minus 1 minus of minus 3 equals to 2. y minus 1 plus 3 equals to 2. So what do you get here? Y equals to minus 1 plus 3 gives you 2. So take that 2 to the other side, you will get 2 minus 2, that is equal to 0. So the value of y is equal to 0. This is the equation. Given m equals to 5 minus 3 minus 2, 4. Find its transpose, that is m to the power of t. So in the previous class we have already explained about the transpose. So what I have explained about transpose, in the when you are finding the transpose, the rows and the columns get interchanged. So let us interchange the rows and columns here. So what do we get here? 5 minus 2 minus 3, 4. The row and the column get exchanged. So 5 minus 2 becomes 5 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4, like this. So the first sub question there is m plus m transpose. M plus m transpose is equal to 5 plus 5 is 10. Minus 3 minus 2, that is equal to minus 5. Minus 2 minus 3 is equal to again minus 5. 4 plus 4 is 8. So we get m plus m transpose is equal to 10 minus 5 minus 5 8. Normal addition we are doing here. Okay. The second question is m minus m transpose. So m minus m transpose. So what do you get in that case? 5 minus 5 is 0. Minus 3 minus of minus 2. That is minus 3 plus 2 gives you minus 1. Minus 2 minus of minus. So that will become 1. Minus 2 plus 3. That becomes 1. Then you have 4 minus 4. That is equal to 0. So this is how you take the transpose of the matrix and you can add them and subtract them. Thank you, students.